Jerk seasoning is traditionally Jamaican, using a lot of our local and regional spices. It was a combination of the escaped slaves and the native Indians in Jamaica that came up with jerking. We had a debate actually yesterday about the history of jerk and why it's called jerk. And some Adam's raising his hand. He's going to tell you.
No, I was right though.
It's not like people are like, oh, because when you put it on the barbecue, you're jerking. But actually, technically, jerk is not barbecuing. It's a slow smoking process. The thing that really makes it jerk is Jamaicans call it pimento, but it's allspice. Is what we call it, and they would usually was a pig. Season the pig with scallions, what they call scallions, which are spring onions. We're going to use Scotch bonnet peppers and thyme. And then our local cinnamon, allspice, and nutmeg. And then they would smoke smoke it. Dig a huge pit, like the pimento wood, and slow roast it. It was more of a smoking process. So now in our modern times where we're done everything quickly, we barbecue. So that's the history of it. And it's a really good flavor and everybody has embraced it.